It's a good time to check in with the day trader, Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. Hi there, Mike. And what's on your radar? What are you trading right now?
Yeah. So what I'm looking at, and you could pick your favorite stock in this sector, but I'm looking at like hard assets, and given the apparent track of what's happening with the Senate elections, that's opening up the possibility of a infrastructure type of bill. So I'm looking at your Caterpillars. If you have a favorite construction company, anything hard construction, anything like that. So I'm specifically looking at Caterpillar, CAT. I'm looking for a pullback to 194-ish. And if we get that either today or tomorrow, I'm going to go out and buy next week's 197 half calls. They should be trading in the neighborhood of about $1.50. Like I usually say, it doesn't really matter what the price is, because I'm going to base my stop and my exit based on whatever I happen to pay for the call. But that's I would have a 20% stop, and I would have about 27 to 30% targets.
You are not alone with this infrastructure play. I did notice at the end of December, the beginning of January, a lot of analysts were getting very hot on some of these infrastructure stocks.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, getting Biden elected president kind of opened that up, because he has said that he wants that to be almost the hallmark of his administration. And now with a potential of having the House himself in office and potentially the Senate, that's going to make things a lot easier. If they don't get that, it's going to make things a lot harder. So there is a bit of that, and that's why I'm really not positioning myself out for a month or two or whatever. But a day trade pullback in there while we're still in this political climate, I'm comfortable with it.
Mike, we're just a few days into the new year. What's been the trading tone of the market?
Yeah, volumes have been actually kind of down a little bit. What we're seeing is moves overnight and really not a lot of play in the day, which, as a day trader, you're just kind of like, come on, let's trade during the day. But if we go up, I call it ramp and camp. Ramp up and then just camp there for the day. So the uncertainty happens to come usually after the close, through the evening, as things follow through, over into the European markets and the Asian markets. And then not a lot is tending to happen. We'll see. That's just been, I don't know if it's that's the beginning of the year. Maybe people still are on vacation or in holiday mode. It certainly wasn't like that during the rest of the year. So I'm still very optimistic on trading. But the actual play during the day has not been as fun as I thought it would be.
All right. Good to have you here. Thanks so much, Mike.
Thanks for having me.
More Business First AM. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.